Hello dear friends, my name is Yuri. Today I will show you how you can count your risk position properly. This video will help you to be profitable in long term. You need to know I worked in a fixed broker and saw more than 60% of traders lose money because of pure risk management. Mostly they used always different risk per position in account currency. Part of traders always have the same risk per position. From my point of view, it's a mistake because sometimes our risk is 20 pips, sometimes it's 40 pips. If we use the same lot size in every entry, our risk per position always will be different. In that situation, our mathematical expectancy will not work and we will not make money as a traders because system will not work. That's why I recommend to you use always the same risk per position. For example, I have 3 accounts where I have risk per one position. In one account 500 USD, second 150 USD and third 200 USD. In this video I will show you exactly how you should identify your volume. Because when you have the same volume, the same risk per your position, your mathematical expectancy work, and even without knowing which entry will be profitable, you will make money as a trader. Let's go to practical part of this video. I use 2 websites where we can count a lot size per position. First, it is babypips.com, as you see, a size calculator. What we should do to count it properly. First step, choose your account currency. My account currency is United States dollars. Second, write your account balance. As you see, my account balance is 44,400. After that, we should write our risk per position. My risk per position is 0.35%. As low risk you use, is better it for you. And also, what is stop loss? Let's simulate some situations that we have stop loss 25 pips on Euro Australian dollar. We open position there. Where is Euro Australian dollar? As you see here, we should write current Australia USD bid price. We open our MT4 terminal, or you use another terminal, you can find it here. As you see, it is 0.6876. 0.6876 and push calculate. As you see, 2.94. After that, you can open your trading platform and open new order and write your volume. Here you have different type of volume. Dear friends, write please below this video, is it understandable for you how you count risk per position? I will answer on all questions which we will see below. Second service which I use to calculate risk per position is gerchik.co.com. The process is similar like on baby pips. First step is we count pip value. As we spoke before, let's imagine we trade the same currency pair, Euro Australian dollar. It's here. Push calculate. As point value is 6.88 USD. We should remember this number because we will use it in the future. Second step, we write our account balance as we wrote before, 144,400. Point value, we should use this number. Point value 688.27. Stop size amount in points. So let's let's it be the same risk, 25 pips, and deal percentage risk 0.35. And what will be our volume? 2.94 lots. And what we have here also the same, 2.94 lots. What better to use for you? You can choose for yourself, because if you have some another currency pair, another currency balance, for example, you have British pound or Swiss franc or Canadian dollars, better to use baby pips, because after that, baby pips, in this situation, baby pips will be better for you, because sometimes when the another currency, it's hard to calculate what is your risk per position properly. Friends, after this lesson, you know how you can calculate proper risk per position using two services. First, baby pips, second, Gershik & Co. Share this video with your friend who struggle with identifying risk per position. Push like, write a comment what you think about this video. I will choose best comment and will do free lesson for that person who will write it. Have a safe trading and see you soon. Bye.